Everybody, thank you for tuning in, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of TONYMOLY. Today's theme is going to be skincare. As you can see, I am semi-dressed for work. My hair is still wet and I just got out the shower, which means that my skin is dry as can be, and right now it is nothing but a blank canvas. I got a couple of things that came in recently and I've been wanting to just kind of like take care of it, or at least open it and check it out for a very long time. But as you know, I do have a little one, so it's really hard for me to time manage, only because I don't know how to manage my time between my job, my kid, being a girlfriend, and everything like that. I'm personally super excited about this product. Why, may you ask? Is because one of my favorite movies overall is Despicable Me. Despicable Me and Despicable Me 2. Well, little did I know, TONYMOLY did a collaboration with all my Minion friends, right? And look how cute these masks are. Like, oh my god. There is a purpose. There's a purpose to all of this. We have eye masks, excuse me, or face masks, I should say. We also have the body mask, and we have a night cream as well. In one of these boxes, it did come with a flyer, kind of like a summary of what exactly they have. Holy moly, this is really big. Alright, flyer. The products that they have. We have body sheets, we have oils, we have lips, we have like face, like blah, makeup remover. There we go. Face sheets to clean your face. We have foot masks. It's just crazy how much they have. I am going to love this till the end because I am a die-hard fan. Well, not as much as Sailor Moon, but I love Minions, and my son has actually recently just started loving Minions ever since McDonald's started dropping their Minions toys in the Happy Meals, and it's no longer out anymore, so he's not like too happy about McDonald's, but we both still love Minions very, very much. First thing I am going to actually use, unfortunately I won't be able to use the night mask because as you can see I am running out to work, so I'm just going to be putting this down, but I am going to use it another day, but maybe I can swatch it for you guys, just at least let you know what it's all about. My face, my eyes, my everything is just a hot mess. We're going to be using the Vitamin C Hydrogel eye patch here, kids. Alright, we have character packages, hydrogen packages. Oh, you're supposed to leave it on for 20 minutes. Okay, I've got time. Plenty of time. I never have time. I'm one of those who will wake up on time early in the morning, right? I wake up at like about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I just like lay there in bed until I feel like I'm about to fall asleep, and then I do fall asleep. Or I just like start rushing out the door. Oh my goodness. Ooh. That is so adorable. I don't know if you can see, but they look like little minions sitting on the planet Saturn. If you guys are into planets and whatnot, you will see that we have a little minion buddy here sitting on top of a planet. Since I'm already using the Vitamin C eye patches, I'm just gonna go ahead and move forward and pick out of the 3 cute little face masks the brightening Vitamin C sheet mask over here, and I'm gonna put the other 2 away. I hope I did this right without like making a mess, because the last thing I want to do is just lose all that serum that's on the mask and have it sink into my floor instead. I don't want that. I'm gonna look super silly with these eye masks and then this face mask. Oh my god, I look ridiculous, but whatever. I went ahead and already like pressed all along the edges because I want to make sure that I don't have any bubbles or air bubbles, and I want to make sure that every inch of my skin is covered by this mask. Face mask down. We are now going to be doing the hand mask because I write all day long. That being said, my hands, my cuticles are a mess, all thanks to this stay-at-home rule here in Jersey. I'm not gonna complain. I do like follow it, at least to the best of my abilities, and I try not to, you know, like be in large crowds and everything, so stay safe out there, guys. Meanwhile, I am indoors while there's so many ladies out there getting their nails done, and I'm crying because my cuticle beds are like save me. Hand mask will definitely do the trick. Alright, while you guys are enjoying my face, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the hand mask. It's made from shea butter, and the fun part is it is touchscreen friendly, meaning you can use these hand masks and still use your phone. I don't know if you can see the little thing there, but that is what's going on. My hands are already clean aside from touching all of this. It does smell like bananas. It comes with 2 gloves. Here are the gloves. We're going to rip the gloves in half. There's like this fabric piece that's holding all the hand serum. And then we're gonna go ahead. Is tape? Yes, it is. Boom. 1 down. It feels weird because like my hands are a little slimy from the serum, but I'm totally okay with it. I'm gonna move forward with my other hand. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. See, the things us women do to keep up with the Jones and stay looking and feeling good. Do the test with the phone. There we go. Unlocked. See, now I can chill out for another 15-20 minutes. Hang out, you know, with the face, the hands, and I will look less crazy for you guys, and I will be back. It has been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these hands, this face, and only because, you know, mama's got to go. I am not gonna wash my hands as of yet. I'm just gonna wipe my hands for the time being. My hands feel so soft. And it still smells like bananas. Oh my god, yes. Why am I not going to wash my hands as of yet? I'm just going to let the serum just soak it into my hands for a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it. So in order for me to move everything else off my face, I'm just going to quickly wipe it. It makes no sense that I'm going to wipe rather than wash, but at least I still have the serum melting into my hands, alright? So now, here goes 1 and 2. This looks a whole lot better than the craziness I had earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it all in. Because remember, we're not washing any of the serum or oils or anything off. We're just gonna let it sink into our skin. Thankfully, the weather has kind of dropped a little bit here in Jersey, and we're not looking at like the crazy 90s anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Charlotte Tilbury moisturizing cream. It's a little bit on the thicker end, only because I tend to dry out quite a bit when it gets a little too cold, and in my office at work it's like freezing. I swear, those people like live in the air conditioning, and it's absolutely ridiculous, and I'm sitting there shivering and they're just like, oh Monica, are you cold? Yes, I am cold. Before I do the moisturizing cream, I did mention earlier that I am going to be doing a quick little review on the night mask. Like I said, unfortunately, because I'm out the door, I won't be able to use the night masks, but here we go. The night cream. How cute. And look at this. Is his name Devin? No. Wait, I'm gonna have to research this. After some research, his name, excuse me, my contact, his name is not, it is not Devin. It is Kevin the Cyclops. Ooh, my hand still smells like bananas. Yeah. Oh, there we go. You know, I've just become a weakling. Gotta do it a few times. This is the reason why I don't have a jar of pickles in my house, because sometimes I'm unable to open it. It's green. Ooh. And it has like a nice minty smell to it. Here is the night cream, guys. Like I said, it is a light green. It's more like a moisturizer. I mean, aka cream. Like, come on. I went ahead and already rubbed the cream into my hand, and I am already going to tell you, honey, that this thing is not sticky like most other creams out there. Sticky meaning like it feels really heavy and like you're afraid to turn over in your bed or in your pillow because you're scared that it might just like rub off all over your pillows and you're gonna have to wash the sheets and stuff again. No, this, once you rub it in, right, give it a couple of minutes for it to like literally set, but no tackiness. It feels very smooth. It has a very nice subtle scent to it, so it's not like too lavendery or just like too perfumey, I should say, because I'm not too fond of products that have a very strong scent to it because it can be overwhelming at times. But I am super excited to actually use this evening. I am a big night cream fan. I will do like overnight masks, or what do you, oh my god, like treatments and all that stuff in the evenings, and like my son he'll freak out. Well, not necessarily freak out anymore, but he'll look at me like I'm some crazy woman who just popped up out the blue. I am going to, like I said, I'm gonna quickly just like finish up here because I don't wanna like shoot myself in the foot and like be late for work, even though I have to be there in like 9 o'clock, and you know, I do work about 15-20 minutes away from home. It's only 7:52. I do have plenty of time, but I do feel like making lunch for myself today. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna just wrap myself up. Face was clean. I now have the TONYMOLY serum soaked into my luscious, lovely skin here, and I'm just gonna finish it up with my Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer called the Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer Hydrant Instantly. This is one of my all-time favorites. I received this as a gift several months ago, I think almost like a year ago, from Charlotte Tilbury, and I like refuse to use it too much just because I love it that much. And I'm sure like there are other people out there who feel the same way. You have a product, you don't want to waste it, not necessarily waste it, but you don't want it to go empty, or you don't want it to become empty because you used it a little bit too much. So I will use my Charlotte Tilbury like 2 to 3 times a week, and then I'll swap out with my Fresh Beauty moisturizer, and I'll just keep batting back and forth between that and my like Shiseido, so that way I'm not losing any of my, like, you know, my faves. Although I can go out and buy more, but with this whole like coronavirus pandemic thing, I'm kind of like weirded out about going to a beauty store. I can buy online, but I'd rather waste my money on my son's clothes. See, angel mom, right? Moisturize, 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 so I can be out the dough. If you haven't heard or ever used Charlotte Tilbury, I highly recommend it, only because it is like so worth your money. Do you know, I'm sure you know that saying, you get what you buy, right? With Charlotte Tilbury, you definitely get what you buy. Oh my god, between her makeup and her skincare line, every ounce, every inch of Charlotte Tilbury is amazing. TONYMOLY is very affordable. You're still getting the quality out of the little money that you're spending out there. Alright, so my battery is dying right now. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with me this morning before I head out to work. So mama over here is gonna go make her some food, lunch, whatever, and I will see you guys another time. Alright, bye. Mwah.